Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov, and in this training video I'm gonna show you the full process with all details, how we can quickly do infill of very long ballerine square shaped nails. And as you can see on the video, now I work with fantastic barrel gel bit, which helps me to remove the gel product very easy, like a butter. So I used to work with only this drill bit. Now we work with the diamond cone or flame diamond gel bit, which helps us to remove the pterygia and the dead skin from the nail plate. And this is the main process when we apply the gel product or acrylic product on the nail plate, because this way we prepare the nail plate for placing the product to avoid liftings, gapes and other problems. After that, we have removed the pterygia. It's time to prepare the shape and remove some areas from the sidewalls. So in this way we should prepare perfectly the nail plate for placing the gel product, and everything will depend on how we have prepared the nail plate before the product. Okay guys, the next part of the work is removing cuticles, and as you can see we work with nippers slightly and never try to cut very deep to the skin to cut the capillaries, and this is the way is more safe and acceptable for laws of some countries, because this is the safe quick manicure. Okay guys, the gel primer, the main part of our work, it creates the double-sided layer, which from the one side sticks itself with the nail and the other side with the gel product. So it's double-sided product. I always use this one and suggest my friends to use exactly gel primer from shapeofnail.com. So the next part is the Sculpting mix gel, one of my favorite gel product, which I use about 10 years or more, and not only me, just my brother Andrew works perfectly with this product, and as you can see, it can be applied very easy using the vintage gel brush. This product is economic, so we don't have to shape it too much after placing. So we just apply the thin layer of the Sculpting mix gel nail by nail and curve these nails in layered lamp, each nail in 1 minute. So we just rotate hands, and the process becomes very easy. Of course, you have some time to train your hand to place this product, but when you got it, you would be the super professional. Okay, now it's time to use the barrel gel bit again. It's polyfunctional gel bit that we can use not only for removing the color and the gel, but we can also correct the shape and the length of the nail after placing the gel product. So it works in seconds, and it speeds up your work when you use it. And this is the amazing gel bit. Okay, the cone gel bit. This is my second choice, just because when we place any product and when it puts on cuticles, in this case, no one gel bit can do this work. Only the cone gel bit, or I have the analog or on shapeofnail.com. This is the thin barrel gel bit. You can use it too. And now it's time, the longest process of shaping the nail plate, but it takes not so long time in case we never used the barrel gel bit or used not professional and bad quality gel product. The Sculpting mix can be placed in thin layer, and barrel gel bit removes large areas. The next step, we need to use the cone drill bit again only after you use this drill bit after filing in cuticles area, and after that remove the dirt and the gel, the old nail from underneath of the nail plate. So you do it only this way to avoid placing the bacteria on the cuticles area. But we use both drill bits twice. The barrel drill bit we use twice and the cone drill bit we use twice. Okay, and the next useful drill bit for you, of course, this is the Marshall drill bit or the Pierre drill bit, which works perfectly with as a final phase to remove the remaining dead skin, and after that the cuticles, they will look absolutely perfect. So we have two steps: nippers and the diamond drill bit. And I want to suggest you guys to use the expert base gel polish before placing the the color, just because in this case you can place the color maximum the ideal way, because when the nail is shaped, it's not easy to place the color, it will be leaked on the skin. The base coat will always protect you from this problem. The next trick or the thing, we can create the amazing nail design if we apply the gold gel paint with a very thin layer, and right on the wet surface of this gel paint we can place a little bit glitter and press with the fingers this glitter and place it into the LED lamp. The effect will be amazing. You should try it. It's time to apply the final top coat, which will protect from scratchings, liftings. I use now the iron top coat, and this is nowadays this is the first my choice, because I'm in love with this product and it's glossy. It never becomes cracked or scratched. So I suggest you to try exactly this top coat. And now guys, let's take a look how beautiful. We have long ballerine shaped nails. They were made about 1 hour and they're so amazing and elegant. We have beautiful combinations of black color and the gold glitter color. All these products that I use in this video you can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping all over the world. You can pay using PayPal or credit cards. See you tomorrow guys!